What is that, Bryce?
Oh.
What is that?
It's a Spider-Man hat.
Where? I don't see a Spider-Man hat.
Turn it the other way. All right.
That looks like the one that Grandma and Papa showed you on the computer yesterday. Remember? That's the one they sent that to you. Remember, they said they were going to give that to you?
Ooh, let me see.
No, I want to see. I want to see. That's cool. I like that. Oh, man. Say, thank you, Grandma and Papa.
Thank you, Grandma and Papa, Suki.
Suki. Say thank you. Say it again. Say thank you, Grandma and Papa.
Thank you, Grandma and Papa Glum.
Glum? Oh, I'm going to tickle you. Oh, I'm going to tickle you. I'm going to tickle you.
No.
Bryce got his little report card, and he was a very, very good boy yesterday and today. He was a very good boy.
Spider-Man!
Spider-Man! How do you know that's a Spider-Man hat?
Spider-Man!
No, that's the Hulk.
Doesn't have the Hulk.
Who's that right there?
He's Spider-Man.
Oh, is that a jellyfish?
No. That's a spider.
A spider? Don't let him bite you. Oh, no.
Mama, bite. Good night, Piggy.
What are you talking about? You just got home from school. I guess they were reading books and stuff when I got there.
Good night, Piggy.
Take your shoes off.
Whoa.
Bryce, put your hat on one more time and then say goodbye.
Okay.
Look, this is to Grandma and Papa.
Ooh.
This is to Grandma and Papa.
Bye.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Say Spider-Man,
Spider-Man. Friday night, but Spider-Man. I've been doing...
No, I can't see your face. Start over. I can't see your face. Start over, please. Bryce, stop it. Come on. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Friendly neighbor Spider-Man. Spins the web just the time. Ta-da! And when there's a problem, you find a Spider-Man!
Yay! Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Say ABC.
ABC. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S T-U-V-W-X-Y-Z. Now I know I am these. Next time on Tuesday with me.
Yay! Now, Bryce. Okay, say your ABCs backwards.
ABC.
No, backwards. Z.
C.
Y.
Y.
I can't even say it backwards. Bye, guys. Love you.